VR for everybody. At Portaliz we are concentrated on ensuring that virtual reality is something that can delighted in and experienced by everyone. We don't want to turn into walled-off garden for the select few. That is one of the reasons we're committed to bringing virtual reality experiences to people via the internet. Anyone at all with access to the interweb has the capacity to use VR to shop, learn, and be fascinated. Deeply engaging web design. We believe strongly that a static, 2D website by itself is a lot like a 8-track tape or a fax machine. It's getting harder and harder to compete with just a static, brochure type of style website. How can you stand by when your competitors are building 3-dimensional websites that are replete with their own immersive worlds and cultures? If you choose to stand still when you could be moving forward, you'll be giving your competitors an opportunity to deepen their relationships with your customers. You will be letting them interact with other products in new and interesting ways and risk that they end up going with a different solution instead of yours. VR web design. We are your one-stop location for unrivaled, cost-efficient web development. We're your one-stop shop for all things associated with bringing your products to life with web-based virtual reality. We are reforming the web with WebVR. WebVR is an open standard which makes it possible to encounter VR in a web browser. The goal is to make it simpler for everyone to experience VR no matter what type of device you have. Whether you have a desktop computer, a cell phone or a head-mounted VR display, you can become thoroughly enthralled using any of these types of devices. Virtual reality and branding. Why not be a forerunner and the first in your industry to grab the future, or watch as virtual worlds spring up everywhere around you and entice your clients to begin exploring for product options there? For as little as 99 cents we can turn a picture of your product into an online store, and then provide you with the HTML files to upload to your existing website so you can share your new online store with your customers. All of the internet is a platform. Your web browser is also a device you can use to experience VR. It appears that since we're in the early innings of virtual reality being a platform that people engage with every day, a lot of people haven't heard that your web browser is a vehicle you can use to explore the surroundings in virtual worlds. You don't have to do anything out of the ordinary, just type a URL into your web browser as you normally would. That is all you have to do to open a portal to a whole new world, new products, and new experiences. Design your website so that it becomes a destination in this newest iteration of the World Wide Web.